So I people them walling go over figure a run bar, you know. I said then said you so. Who said you so? Not a clot at the rum.
Watch to the end.
Piss up yourself, the blood clot.
I remember we can't make a blood clot, man. I remember when I show him back that blood clot.
Fuck, yo. You beg too much, but you want rum for drink, pussy hole. So you get rum for drink, you know. My piss, you fuck. You have a piss on yourself. Fuck, yo.
I know man still a piss in the dog.
Rum you want, rum you get. Yo, in piss up all in your hand and have your hand in your face. Fuck, yo, sweet. You should just, yo, watch out now. He beg too much, dog. If you learn a lesson, man, bumbo, they beg too much. But what you see, man, boy, you want rum for drink? Pussy hole. For all your own, man. Fucker.
So the waiter went to front past everyone and got served by cashier. Guess who was upset?
You have two.
We don't have any
You have boy
children.
and a girl?
We don't have. We
You
don't
don't have
have.
none yet.
Yes, we have
You don't have no
twins.
children.
No
You don't have no
children. No
children yet.
children.
How much year old it is?
No,
How
no,
much year
no,
old
no,
it is?
no.
How much year old it is? Now 71 year old or something. How much year old it is? And then I can chat here. How much year old it is?
We don't understand.
You know the year old.
Oh, we cannot tell you. We cannot tell you. Thank you, Achabi.
How
Thank you
much
so
year old
much.
it is? How old are you? English now. How old are you?
Oh, we cannot say it.
I mean, you can't say how old it
We
is.
cannot say it.
So fuck with me.
Guys, please, everybody, let's go. Guys, don't put
I
up
never
on guys.
analyze you.
Don't put up on your screen. Everybody, let's go. Yeah, guys, please help us drop roses. Guys, please, watch that thing. Watch that thing, guys. We need 17 people.
You love money, you love blood clot money. I beg, you beg, Don't I beg.
22, guys, one perfume. One perfume, thank you, Tenel. Guys, one perfume to activate the speed. One perfume to activate the speed, guys. One perfume, thank you, Tenel.
Illusion, let's have to illusion.
Guys,
Not the reality.
one perfume.
Not doing no friction in it. Oh, the blood clot doing. I say,
Guys, everybody, let's go.
You want to hear some blood?
Thank you, Tenel. Guys, for life,
When we
don't
come from
understand.
pussy clot in your ears. I say,
Guys, don't understand. Thank you, Tenel.
You're
Thank you
not
so
public
much.
sector.
No, stop.
What the pussy clot do them to you? How the pussy clot? I say, are you? To all are you?
Guys, please, I ain't see you drop now this time street. I ain't see you drop now this time street, guys.
Blood clot going. We're not talking to friction.
Old enough to be on TikTok. Old enough to be
Yeah,
on
friction to
TikTok.
my mind.
Guys,
friction.
please, I ain't see you drop now this time street, guys, for life.
You know take cocky. You know take big good.
Guys, please, I ain't see you drop now this time street, guys. Please, help us drop something on the time street. Guys, please help us drop something on the time street, guys. Please, everybody drop something on the time street. Everybody drop something on the time street, guys. Everybody drop something on the time street, guys. Thank you, Esther. Thank you so much. Guys, please help us put up a fight. Thank you, Pretty. Thank you so much. Guys, please help us put up a fight. Guys, please help us put up a fight. Thank you, Charlene. Charlene. Love you, Charlene. Thank you, Didra. Thank you so much.
Pussy tight. You're a big pussy. You're a big pussy. That's more fucking now. Big pussy, girl. Let me tell you, blood class. Now fuck with me.
Help us drop the road, guys. We want to achieve that.
You have a tight
Like,
the pussy tight. You have the big line. You're coming to slap. You have the big line.
hey, guys, everybody let's go, guys. Tap on your screen, guys.
Yeah, come on.
Tap on your screen, guys. Thank you, Identify. Thank you so much. We need 17 people. 17 people to help us drop the road, guys, please. I don't know. Guys, please, just help us put up. Guys, please, just help us put up a fight.
Ask your question. Ask your question. You have a tight pussy. You have a front.
Guys, please, Identify. Thank you so much. Identify, thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Bless you. I mean, me not deal with friction and the
Guys,
reality.
please, everybody.
All are you?
Guys, we want to achieve that stuff that is up. Guys, we need everybody to drop a rose, guys, please. One more rose. One more
You don't
rose.
answer my question.
One more
You don't
rose.
answer my question. Hello, when you look like
Yes, we don't understand. What do you say?
I'm telling you, sir.
All right. All are you? All are you?
Oh, we cannot
old
tell
are
you
you?
how old we are. We cannot tell you. We cannot tell
One where she
you.
had baby. You're coward. Coward die
Guys,
many
don't beat
days.
us when we're
You're dead. You're not walking.
all right.
Blood
Bye
clot
bye.
dead.
Thank you.
And this is one year. All I want you. Suck your mother arms house.
Me want to know why na rum sweet, you know, so. It look like a syrup and supplement in a rum. Something in a rum sweet, you know, make you no can't tap drink it. As the light, you know, go in a rum cup. No, man. Why na rum? That me want to know. What is inside of the rum? Supplement carrot juice. Something sweet in a rum, man. What me not know about.
Yeah,
Say, would you marry me?
yeah.
I got pay any for me now, no?
I'm feel cool, man. What you talk?
Say, go pay any and say, will you marry me?
Will you marry me?
But you have to go pay any.
What me tell me better?
Come now. Do it for me, I give you $50. Do it for me, give you $50.
No, man, not give me 50.
No, me I give you money for you. Do it.
I'm here some.
Yeah.
So,
I say, will you marry me? Look in the camera now. Say no, will you marry me?
will you marry me?
I will.
If you want to hear that pussy, what are you doing? You think I drop me down? Kill you. Right now, we kill you. Alright. You're beer. Alright, you're beer.
Don't violate.
I'm beer, fuck your fucking dog, them. Fuck your mama. Fucking thinking mama.
You're not saying there with you again.
He's a dog fucker. fucking mama, me fucking mama, and me push me cocky and you take him up cocky and me over $50. Look in my face. Me no fuck you. Oh! Me no fuck you. Me no fuck you. It's a funny type.
Ah, yeah, why? Careful, pussy.
It's a funny type.
Okay. Alright, a president used to give you a gun and take your money, you know. So nobody can go and carry a gun man, you know. The man that used to just say,
but you go up fine and go blood clot thief. Go thief. You go up there, you go for farm work and you go thief. Everybody come and you can't come. You come to the pest and the blood clot thief. You know how nothing.
let me take, hold the babe.
Oh, what man? What the man?
Bramwell.
Bramwell. So good Bramwell. No woman bring you come in this world battle boy Bramwell. Don't the fuck you out about blood clot and LGB and them stuff there. You will have a blood clot liberal party a blood clot so good battle. Yeah. I'm gonna talk to woman.
The little youth them they want to learn them things there.
Yeah.
Defend the little youth them killer.
Yo. So stop with green lizard. You know come like block iguana over there in Jamaica. Stop on a woman.
Bramwell.
Ah yeah, Bramwell.
The batty boy Bramwell.
Batty boy Bramwell. Stockwell Bramwell. Look at Benny King.
I'm repeating myself every minute.
You clean up me properly?
Hey, I'm tell you blood clot something, man. Me not eat by roadside like you, them some poison your pussy clot. Cause you have some fans who are all and pump people and all and put people and dance and crashing and people. Them kill for your friend, them, you know. You know about them?
Alright, Jerry, done.
Done what?
So
when get some more shot.
Jerry.
Them shot up your friend. 4 of them dead, no better check them.
I know what you're talking about. Jerry!
I'm ready, his road.
I know what you're talking about.
Him the for your program, you know.
Jerry.
I make them TikTok.
Jerry!
The bomber has clat, but the TV, friend them are dead out. Pussy clat. Jerry clat. The friend them are dead out. The TikTok.
I can't do it. I know what you're talking about. That's relax, man.
Tell you, what your friend dead yesterday.
Stop spitting on my bum, chaman.
Blood clat.
What back is
maybe never give enemy share or soup. But
stop spitting on soup now.
Lie. Let me move from yourself. Because people them are dead up and going like a joke thing. I'm get so much pussy class shot. Him have a contact.
Jerome.
You black what?
Jerome.
I come carry me a bet names. Bet name? Pink wall. Blood clot in our head now the people are dead. Dead. You are for dead. You have to take
Jerry.
Rock is exercise.
Jerry.
The black call up name the man. That's have to see do man blood clot. You have to take exercise.
Load your pussy tight, tie your clothes,
and pedal.
That's
Yeah, and pedal it the one and I'm the wheel on a bicycle. The friend
But
can't
Jerry,
tell
why
you.
you say that to me, Jerry?
Yeah, because you don't, you're not moving. The blood going kind of fight going over your heart and you're going to die.
Jerry.
Oh, like a flowers. And it's who that in the road and the bicycle there was no wheel. You get for blood clot.
3 hearts shot, 4 hearts.
One money gun catch his speed.
You want to die.
Yeah, me catch his
exercise.
4 hearts shot.
speed at 3.
Yeah, like I know want to live long.
4
Put the walk over your heart.
One money gun chat, one money gun.
4 hearts shot.
I was on you over there now, Mom. I would have to make this up.
One money gun, one money gun, one money gun. That's not nice, Jerry.
But you don't move on doing what?
That's not nice, Jerry.
Melissa,
That's not nice.
Nice? Too much nice is no good. I think you have a sour you. I think you have a sour you. Go on. I think the grand sour you. More nice is so good. 30 bit and good flavor your belly hurt you. 30.
Guys, we're going to some part of it. Double chat, double
me team, double guys, short. Double chat. You can't pack this shot. Double me team, double. never did a video. You just have video.
Come to something. We need some donation to fix the road at bottom Red Bank.
Yeah. As you can see, that even a man there, and we have to take you up in our hand.
Be a woman.
So we need, if this could reach anybody, the councillor, anybody at all, we need donation. We need it.
Yeah, and big unit here, and anything we are donation. And big unit here. Big unit here, we are donation.
We have to fix the road and it's she and being woman for the fix road. And no, but no MP and no councillor we not see. And we not drive. I be a walk with the head is there.